If your wardrobe looks like a fashion disaster zone, you're in luck. It's time to tidy up with the ultimate men's combo dress guide. Let's face it, figuring out what to wear can be a real headache, but combo outfits for men are here to save the day. Think pre-matched sets that take the guesswork out of looking sharp. First up, the Effortless Style Collection. Perfect for the professional bloke who wants to look good without the fuss. These combos are versatile, so you can go from casual Fridays to weekend outings in a snap. High-quality fabrics, modern designs, and guess what? They're easy to care for too. More time for anything but laundry. Next, for the eco-warrior in you, check out the Sustainable Style Statement. Made from eco-friendly materials like organic cotton and recycled fabrics. It's minimalist, timeless, and makes you feel good about your choices. Style with a conscience, lads. And for those who want to stand out, we've got the Personalized Style Experience. It's a mix-and-match system that lets you create your own combos. Choose from a variety of shirts, trousers, and accessories to nail your unique look. Plus, get personalized styling recommendations, because you're not just any bloke, you're. So, whether you're after convenience, sustainability, or a bit of originality, there's a combo dress out there with your name on it. Say goodbye to wardrobe stress and hello to effortless style. Stay sharp, stay stylish, and remember, sometimes the best combos come in pairs. Hit that like button, subscribe for more fashion tips, and drop a comment with your favorite combo style. Until next time, gentlemen, keep it classy.